So, after the feedback amplifiers, the next important topic is oscillators. It's not that much important. Sometimes they are asking question, especially proof point of view. If you are appearing for engineering service exam, then it is a more important. However, what is the applications of various oscillators, how they will work? Sometimes they will give, very rarely, not that much important. But as a topic for electronics engineers, it's very important. But gate point of view, sometimes rarely they are asking. The most very important among all the topics in the analog electronics, which is operational amplifier, op-amp, operational amplifier. So since 1995-94, the gate questions are available in the market. If you verify each and every year, without operational amplifier application or a question, there is no gate question paper for both communication and electrical engineering students. Sir, you don't have time. I want to go for the tomorrow itself for gate exam. You want to score a mark. You have to concentrate operational amplifier in the analog electronics subject. Without this, there is no question paper. Why, sir? Why they are asking? Whatever you are in your home, there is a washing machine. Your washing machine is there, you have to control. What is required for control? Some integrated circuit is required. Remote controlled cars, geysers, any air conditioners, all they require some timers and many applications. Many of the linear applications are obtained with the operational amplifier. The name itself, you see, op-amp, operational. It can perform several mathematical operations. That's why its name is called operational amplifier. Sir, I will ask you one question for you. Before completing the session, I will ask you one question for you. For example, this operational amplifier will have minus inverting and non-inverting terminal. You know very well, I hope, you studied in your third year, either 5th semester or 6th semester. Semester is not be a question. In linear integrated circuits, you may study this subject, or op-amp in the subject you may study. Ideally, the operational amplifier will have a gain of infinite. Gain of infinite. Practically, you take, the gain may be in the order of 10 power of 6, such a high gain is there. The gain of the operational amplifier, I can tell you, 10 power of 6 approximately. Forget about sign, this will not be a problem. My question is, if you have such a large gain for operational amplifier, I will ask you one question for you. Is it an advantage or disadvantage? It is an advantage or disadvantage? Tell me. You tell me whether it is advantage or disadvantage. No doubt, everybody knows it. Once if the gain is higher, it is an advantage. But as an engineering student, communication engineering student, you should know that a high gain is also a disadvantage. Then don't watch my video. You think, why disadvantage, why disadvantage? That is the way of learning the subject. Not by simply following the class. We have to think, just pause the video. Why it is a disadvantage? Gain is, you are invested 10 rupees. You got 500 rupees. You got 1000 rupees. Always it is advantage. But why I called it a disadvantage? Are you following? How many professors they know, how many teachers they know this point? I don't know. Why this is disadvantage is, for example, advantage I don't want to explain. I can talk to you in the regular class. But if you see here, I require a 1 volt in the output. I require a 1 volt in the output. How much input voltage I have to give if the gain is 10 power of 6? The gain of the amplifier is 10 power of 6. What is the gain of the amplifier? Output voltage by input voltage, you know very well. You know that this value is 10 power of 6, this value is 1. What should be your input voltage? The input voltage should be 1 microvolt. a small amount of signal, how can you generate really? It's a very difficult, yeah. Microvolts of signal generation, practically it is difficult. So how can you reduce this? Because if you are giving some 0.1 volt here, 0.1 volt here, that is practical possibility of generating signal. Maybe 1 volt also you can generate, it's not be a problem. But very small amount of signal generation is practically very difficult. For example, I am speaking here. If I have an amplifier with a large gain of amplifier you are using here, what happened? Even though if I am speaking, how the signal will appear? Is it possible to generate such a small input signal? Every time it is not possible. But my speaking is like that. Only as an electronics engineer duty, you have to control your amplifier. How to control your amplifier? You have to keep one hat is here. This is one hat is here. This fellow is a negative feedback. Every closed loop operational amplifier will have some element between output to input, because to obtain the required gain according to our requirement. So like that, and basically it's a very, very interesting. See, many faculty members, I don't know how they are teaching. When analog circuit means they start the operational amplifier. How it is possible here? Just they are by-hearting the subject. Without knowing what is the element in that, if suppose you are studying operational amplifier, the basic element which is used in the input stage of operational amplifier is differential amplifier. You should know differential amplifier first. What type of common emitter, common collector, common base, what are the we are using there? That is the first point. What is the differential amplifier? Then why we are using differential amplifier? At the time we have to come to the multi-stage amplifier. Once if you are coming to the multi-stage amplifier, you require a single stage amplifier. Always go with a step-by-step procedure. Don't skip the topics. Don't go for op-amp. There is a time here. What is that? You study what is transistor, what is common collector, what is common base. Try to understand each and everything. Then you go for cascading of amplifier. Then you go for what is the drawbacks and advantages of cascading amplifier. Why we reaches to differential amplifier. Then if you are studying operation amplifier, beautiful. The subject becomes very beautiful. No doubt, by attending regular classes, I will give you plenty of knowledge in this subject. In addition to other subjects also, I will give you required information. Sufficient objective bits I will provide. I will recommend standard textbooks for you. Each and every day I can speak to you with my subordinates or myself. Are you following or not? I can monitor you regularly. I hope you understand how the structure. Only this video, what for it is, you want to know how I am going to teach. How I will give the information for you. It's only just introduction. But you can enjoy the subject. Okay? Thank you. All the best.